Now second method of representing a set builder form. In this form, all the elements of a set possesses a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. Now what does it mean? So I will explain by taking an example. Suppose in the set A, E, I, O, U, all the elements, all the elements of this set have a common property, and the property is each of them is a vowel in the English alphabet and no other letter possesses this property. Okay, so we will denote this set by capital V and will write like this: X. X is a vowel in English alphabet. Okay, so in set builder form, we'll describe the element of the set by using a symbol X. You can also take Y, Z, any other symbol you can take, which is followed by a colon. Okay, and after the sign of colon, we'll write the characteristics property, okay, possessed by the element of the set. Okay, and we read it as, okay, how to read? So we'll say the set of all X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. So in this description, the bracket stands for the set of all. Okay, this bracket means set of all. Okay, and this colon stands for such that. Colon means such that. So if it is take one more example. Now a set is written like this. Now how to read it? So we'll read it as the set of all X. This bracket means the set of all X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 3 and 10. Okay, so this presentation is called set build. This form of representing a set is called set builder form. Okay, so in set builder form, we'll write like this. We'll write the property. Okay, we'll take one element and this element represent, or here, and here we will write the property of the element. Okay, and in roster form we'll write the elements directly, okay, by putting a comma in between. So now let us take some example. Example number 1 is write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0 in roster form. We have to write the solution of this equation in roster form. So first we will find the solution of this equation. So the given equation is x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So when you factorize, you will get these 2 as the factors x minus 1 and x plus 2. So x equals to 1 and minus 2. Okay, so now we have to write this solution in the roster form. So the roster form is this curly bracket. We'll write both the elements and we'll put a comma in between. So this is the roster form, okay, of the solution of this given equation. Now let us see the next example. Write the set. Now how to read? Set of all x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. So we have to write this set. Now the set is written in set builder form. Okay, in word form, then it's a set builder form. So from this form, we have to write the set in roster form. So to write the set in the roster form, we need to find the elements, because in roster form, we directly write the elements. Okay. So the question is, in this question, what is x? So x is a positive integer, and the x square should be less than 40. So positive integer means x can have values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there is one condition also, that x square should be less than 40. So we'll start with 1, because the first positive integer is 1, and 1 square is less than 40, so yes, we'll include 1. Now what about 2? 2 square 4 is less than 40, yes. 3 square 9 is less than 40, so we'll include 3. Then 4 square 16 is less than 40, yes, so we'll include 4. 5 square is 25, less than 40, so we'll include 5. 6 square is 36, less than 40, so we'll include 6 also. Now 7 square is 40 now. Now the 49 is not less than 40, so we will not include 7 here. Okay, so these are the required numbers. Now we have to write it in the roster form. So the given set in the roster form is within curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the roster form. Okay. Now see this example. In this example, a set is given and the set is in roster form, and we have to write it in the set builder form. And we know that in set builder form, we write the property, okay, which is possessed by each element of the set. So first we have to observe, we have to think that which property each element is showing in this set. Okay. So here when you observe, you will find that each element is the square of a number. Okay. This 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and so on. So each number is a square of, and it is starting from 1, it is started from 1. So it is, we can say that each number is a square of natural number. Okay. So we can write this set A in the form of set builder as, so set of all x such that this x is the square of a natural number. Okay, this is the first way. Or we can also write like this: A is equals to set of all x such that here x is, here each number is square of a number. So x is square of n. And what is n here? So where this n is a natural number, so this n belongs to n, set of natural number. Okay, this is also one of the ways to write the set in this set builder form. So set of all x such that x is the square of a natural number, or we can also write x, set of all x such that, what is this x? This each number is a square of a number. So in general we have written this n, and what is this n here? This n is natural number set. So this n belongs to set of natural number. Okay. Let's take one more example. Now see this example. Write this set in the set builder form. We have to write this set in the set builder form. So before we write in the set builder form, we will observe, okay, what property each element of this set is showing here. Okay. So when you observe, you will find that writing the set in roster form is very simple, but writing in set builder form, it takes time. Okay. So when you observe, you will find that the numerator, okay, the numerator is always less than the denominator. Okay, the numerator of each number is 1 less than the denominator, and the number is starting from 1 and it is less than 6. Okay, less than n equal to, the number is starting from 1 means equal to and greater than 1, and less or equals to 6. So in general, okay, in general form we can write set of all x such that this x is in this form. So we will write n, numerator and denominator is 1 more than the numerator, so n plus 1, and we need to mention what is this n. So where n is a natural number, and here see in the previous question the n, it is sufficient to write n is natural number because there is no limit. Okay, it is infinite set. Okay, it goes on. Later we will discuss what is finite and infinite set. So it will continuous infinitely. Okay, but here there are fixed numbers. Okay, and the number started from 1 and up to 6. So we can write what is this n. So n is a natural number, and the value of n is, the value of n is greater than and equal to 1 but less or equal to 6. Okay, so this is the way we write our set in this set builder form.